Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your shooting hand in NBA 2K. First, from the main menu, you will want to enter your My Career mode. Once there, locate and select the My Player tab. This area allows you to manage various aspects of your created player. Next, proceed to the Appearance section, which is where you can customize your player's visual attributes. This straightforward path will lead you directly to the setting you need to adjust your dominant hand. Once you are in the Appearance menu, look for the Vitals tab. This section contains fundamental information about your player, including their handedness. Scroll down through the options until you find the dominant hand setting. Here, you will have two clear choices. You can set your player to be either right-handed or left-handed. This selection directly impacts which hand your player uses for shooting and other primary actions on the court. While changing your dominant hand might feel significant, it primarily affects the visual aspects and animations of your player's shooting. The core timing and mechanics of your jump shot remain consistent, regardless of which hand you choose. However, the direction of your shot's side drift can change, which might influence how you perceive defensive coverage. Experimenting can help you find what feels most comfortable and effective for your playstyle on the virtual hardwood. After selecting your desired dominant hand, ensure you confirm the change to save your settings. This adjustment is applied directly to your current My Player character, allowing for personalized gameplay. Unlike in some older versions of the game, this process is now quite simple and does not require starting a new player. Enjoy the game with your preferred shooting hand, which can make your on-court experience feel much more natural and intuitive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.